Shubor naga Snem Jong Nongtrei Hima.
MLA ka Sorkar constituency uba Gavin Mccl habakren baginong tho khobor halor ke MCCL urayathu baka Sorkar jila kladep ban penlat ya ka Bhah Shaki Nongtrei ke MCCL bat ka Bhah ka bakhat du Jong ki Nongtrei ke MCCL ka balabu por ban Siew no Shaki habayadei baka one time special industrial closure scheme na kebenta ki Nongtrei ke MCCL balapin bana da ke Sorkar jila ha ubnai kelalingkod hajar apusan uloong baka Sorkar yakini ki laitli ki Bhah kabalong kumba khandai phau point san klor tingka kalarai ban Siew bat ban pendep Hapoh laitli ki Snem Jong ka financial year uba Gavin uloong baka Sorkar keladep ban penlat ya ka Bhah kabaningkong ha ubnai leber hajar apusan kumba lai pun riu klor tingka kabakentup kumba 90% na kakandai phau klur tingka katbai ka Bhah ka baar ka Sorkar klade ban Siew ha ubanai naitung arhaja apusan kabalong kumba arpunyo klur tingka bat lai phau persen na kakandai phau klur tingka bat ya kabenta ka balai bat kabadang shuyo ha ubanai jeliu arhaja apun riu uloong baka Sorkar klade ban penlat kumba arpunyo klur tingka kabalong lai phau persen na kakandai phau klur tingka kumtau lapan pang ya kejengkemen baka Sorkar jela balayalam da u menteri rangba ka jela konrat ki sangma kalala ban pendep ya kijingkular ban Siew ya ki Nongtrei Tang Hapoh Snem ka financial year shu uloong baka pisa kepada ban Siew nak benta ki supplier kabala sakut hakini ki bun Snem baladep ru lapan khod hakini ki khendiat banai baladep.
Yes, the government had released the third and final installment of the amount which is due to the employees last week, and the MCCL had also received this amount, and currently they are in the process of releasing to the employees of MCCL. If you could recall, the government had announced a one-time special industrial closure scheme for MCCL employees in the month of January 2025. And the government had also made a commitment to the employees of MCCL that this amount will be settled in 3 installments and within 3 financial years, amounting to a total of around 90 crores. So the government had released the first installment in the month of March 2025, which is around 36 crores, which is 40% of the 90 crores in the first installment. The second installment was made in the month of July 2025, amounting to around 27 crores, which is 30% of the 90 crores. And finally, during this month, the government had released the last and final installment, which is a third installment, amounting to 27 crores, which is around 30% of the 90 crores. Yes, initially the government had made a commitment that it will be completing the entire 90 crores within 3 financial years and in 3 installments. But we are very happy that the government, just within 2 financial years, had completed the entire amount which is due to the MCCL employees. Therefore, we are very grateful to the MDA government under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister for listening to the requests of the employees to release the amount, the entire amount at the earliest. And it clearly indicates that the MDA government is a government that keeps up to its commitment. And here we have a case where we have been able to complete all the financial installments much before the time settled. Yes, I am also very happy to inform that all the dues, the pending dues that is due towards the suppliers of MCCL, be it the coal suppliers, the clay suppliers that had been lying pending for all the past many years, had been settled during the early part of this particular financial year. So this release towards the employees of MCCL will also enable them to utilize the amount that has been received by them judiciously. That will also help in ensuring a good livelihood for the MCCL employees.